Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Finger Ramp set is probably one of the most exciting and challenging toys for both kids and adults who love skateboarding or any extreme sports. This detailed review will help you understand why this is a must-have for any fingerboard enthusiast, covering everything from its construction quality and design to its overall performance and value for money. We will also explore what makes a great fingerboard ramp set and what factors you should consider before buying one. Number 5. HOMETALL Fingerboard Skatepark. It's more than just a toy, it's a complete fingerboard skatepark. Get ready for hours of creative fun and skill-building challenges. This set includes everything you need: ramps, fingerboards, bikes, scooters, and more. The possibilities are endless. Practice your ollies and kickflips with ease. These ramps are perfect for honing your fingerboard skills. Create your own unique skatepark layout. Combine and rearrange the ramps to build your dream course. Looking for a fun and engaging gift? This set is perfect for kids who love skateboarding or creative play. It's a guaranteed hit. It's made with safe, high-quality materials and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. We're here to support you. What we like. It comes with various mini toys beyond ramps, letting you build your own unique skatepark. If you're looking for a complete and fun fingerboarding experience with extra toys, this is the set for you. It's perfect as a gift for kids who love creative play and building. What people say. Looks as if it should be durable. Ramps though are nice, haven't had problems with them. The ramps are good quality and fairly easy to put together. Number 4. Finger Skate Ramp Set. Get ready for extreme fun. This set includes everything you need to build your own mini skatepark. Let's get started. It's not just ramps. You'll find fingerboards, scooters, skates, and more. So many ways to play. Building your skatepark is a breeze. The instructions are simple, and your imagination is the limit. Looking for a unique present? This set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's fun for all ages. The silicone mats keep everything in place, so your fingerboards won't slip and slide. Enjoy smooth tricks. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions or issues, we're here to assist you. What we like. This set boasts a large number of pieces and non-slip mats for stability. If you prioritize a wide variety of elements and easy setup, this is an excellent choice. The non-slip mats ensure smooth and stable fingerboarding sessions. Number 3. Finger Skatepark Kit. Get ready for hours of fun with this amazing fingerboard ramp set. It's the perfect way to express your creativity and build your own mini skatepark. This kit includes 5 fingerboards, 3 mini skateboards, plus a scooter, bike, and more. You'll also find connectors and silicone mats for a stable setup. Building your own skatepark is a breeze. The included instructions and multiple assembly options make it simple and fun for everyone. Looking for a unique and exciting gift? This fingerboard ramp set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's fun for kids and collectors alike. The silicone mats keep everything in place, so you can focus on landing those tricks. Enjoy smooth and stable skateboarding action. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any questions or issues, we're here to assist you. Let us know, and we'll help you out. What we like. This set boasts a large number of pieces and non-slip mats for stability. If you prioritize a wide variety of elements and easy setup, this is an excellent choice. The non-slip mats ensure smooth and stable fingerboarding sessions. What people say. It's so easy to assemble and it can be changed into different configurations, which is wicked. I love that you can put them together in different ways, like making ramps out of one side or using 2 sets as rails with some gaps in between for tricks. This was such an excellent set for my son. He was thrilled with it and loves that you can build and rebuild this set in any configuration you'd like. Number 2. Fingerboard Skatepark Kit. Get ready for hours of fun with this complete fingerboard kit. It includes everything you need to build your own mini skatepark. With 8 ramps, 3 fingerboards, and connectors, the possibilities are endless. Create unique skatepark layouts and challenge yourself with new tricks. It's made from durable ABS material, ensuring it can withstand hours of skateboarding action. The sturdy design means it will last for a long time. No tools are needed. It's incredibly easy to assemble and disassemble, perfect for taking it on the go or storing it away. This kit makes a fantastic gift for kids and adults alike. It's fun, engaging, and perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you have any problems, our support team is available 24/7. What we like. It allows for creative DIY ramp designs and is great for training finger coordination. If you enjoy building and customizing your own skatepark and value ease of assembly, this set is ideal. It's perfect for those who want to improve their fingerboarding skills. What people say. The plastic is really good quality, the details in the plastic for the park are crisp and clean. What we like best about this product is the customizing that you can do with it. Using the included pegs you can move and place each section together any way they desire to make new park designs. Super easy to put together and fun moving around to change the design. Very durable and you can change the shape and way your skate park is structured, which is cool. Number 1. Fingerboard Skatepark Kit. It's a 6-in-1 fingerboard skatepark set. This includes 6 ramps, 6 mini fingerboards, a display stand, and even extra wheels and connectors. Everything you need for endless fun. Made from high-quality, eco-friendly plastic, it's safe and affordable. You get everything in one set, saving you time and money compared to buying items separately. Combine the 6 pieces however you like. Create different skateparks to practice ollies, kickflips, and heel flips. It's great for improving finger coordination and creativity. It's perfect for all skill levels and makes a great gift for birthdays or holidays. It can even add a cool touch to a child's bedroom. Looking for a fun and unique gift? This fingerboard skatepark is ideal for boys and girls. It encourages creativity and improves dexterity, all while keeping them away from screens. With this complete set, you can build your own skatepark and practice tricks anytime, anywhere. Get ready for hours of fun and improved skills. What we like. This all-inclusive kit provides everything you need for fingerboarding. If you want a comprehensive set with multiple ramps and boards, and are looking for a gift, this is a great option. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced fingerboarders. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.